In today's video, I'll show you how to share Microsoft Loop with external users, making collaboration with clients, partners, or colleagues outside your organization easy and efficient. First, open Microsoft Loop in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once inside, look for the Share button in the top right corner. Here, decide whether you want to share a specific page or your entire workspace, depending on how much access the external user needs. Next, enter the person's email address carefully and click Send or Invite. Remember, the external user must have a guest account in your Microsoft 365 tenant to access the shared content. If they don't, work with your IT team to set this up, and that's it. With just a few steps, you can securely share Microsoft Loop content, enabling smooth collaboration across organizational boundaries.